Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to adjust Elementor image height settings. If you've been struggling to get your images to display at just the right size on your WordPress site, this quick tutorial will show you exactly where to find those height controls and how to use them effectively. First, head over to your WordPress website dashboard and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar where you'll find the Pages menu, click on Pages, then select Add New to create a fresh page where we can work. You'll see a field at the top that says Enter Title here. Go ahead and type something like Test Image Height so you can easily identify this page later. Now look for the Edit with Elementor button and click it. This launches the Elementor Visual Editor, which is where all the magic happens. Inside the Elementor Editor, you'll notice a plus icon within your section. Click on that plus icon to bring up the widget panel. This is where you can add all sorts of elements to your page. In the widget search bar that appears, type Image. Once the image widget shows up, click on it to add it to your page. You'll see an image placeholder appear on the canvas. Click on that image placeholder, and you'll be prompted to either upload files directly or choose an existing image from your media library. Select whichever option works best for you and pick the image you want to use. Once your image is loaded onto the page, here's where the important part comes in. At the upper left of the Elementor panel, you'll see a Style button. Click on that Style button to access the styling options for your image. Within the Style tab, you'll now have access to the height controls. Simply type in a number to set your desired image height. This gives you precise control over how tall your image appears on the page, allowing you to create perfectly balanced layouts without any guesswork. You can experiment with different values until you achieve the exact look you're going for. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted the image height in Elementor using the style settings. This simple technique gives you complete control over your image dimensions, ensuring your website looks polished and professional. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.